Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this tasty and easy mango ice lollies. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 1 liter of milk, which is approximately to 4 cups. You're also going to need 2 ripe mangoes, and lastly 5 tablespoons of sugar. So the first step, place your milk on a medium-low heat and let it boil till the milk reduces half of the size. When the milk starts to boil, stir constantly to avoid the milk from spilling over. Then add the sugar and mix everything well and let the milk to continue to boil. Once the milk has reduced in size like this, then your milk is ready and remove it from the fire and place aside. Then you're going to pour the milk in a jug so that the milk can cool down faster. Once the milk has cooled down completely, then it's high time to blend our mangoes. In a medium or a large blender like this, add half of the mangoes and pour some milk and blend them into a smooth smoothie. If you have a big blender, you'll be able to blend once, but I'm using a small one. I'm going to blend twice. Once everything is well blended, pour in a jug, and at this point, if you want to add more sugar, then that's up to you. But on my side, I won't add more sugar because my mangoes are too sweet. Afterwards, you're going to fill them in some ice molds or plastic glasses like these. Once you're done filling them, cover them using a foil so that it can be easier for the stick to stand properly. Then afterwards, make a small hole and insert the stick at the center as you can see in the video step by step. Once you're done, put them in the freezer for about 6 to 8 hours, then your ice lollies would be ready. And after 6 to 8 hours, my ice lollies are ready. Put them out for at least 3 minutes so that it can be easier for the ice lollies to come out easily. And after 3 minutes of waiting, my ice lollies are ready and serve them on a plate. And my tasty mango ice lollies are ready as you can see in the video, and enjoy your ice lollies. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below or you can follow me on my Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.